This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
A kati ake e te iwi, nau mai, piki mai kake mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. O te CNI whakataitai whutuporo uni ana e hoa mā, nei rā māo ko teo husband e mihi atu nei kia koutou kua tūhono mai nei ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Ko wai ngā kapa kei mua i te aroro, ara, ko St. John's Collegiate, St. Paul's Collegiate, mo taku he, a rāua ko Feilding High School ki konei, ki tēnei o ngā papa tākaro. Hikaka ana te ngākau, kua whai wāhi mai koutou ki te mātakitaki i tēnei a whakataitai ara ko te Central North Island whakataitai te puku o te ika ko St. Paul's Collegiate High School up against Feilding High School. Dale, it's always a pleasure joining you, my friend, and I'm excited for the game at hand.
Yeah, obviously, these two teams are proud reputations as well and plenty to play for here in the CNI. It's good to have you with us today on Whakaata Māori. Once again, treated to a pretty decent day right across the country. Some heavy weather apparently coming in, but today it looks decent, and I hope that you're enjoying your Saturday afternoon. Wonderful to be involved in broadcasting here of the First 15 Championships, Super 8, and of course the CNI. The tracking pretty good, Nick, and pleased to be bringing the action to you here on live on Whakaata Māori this afternoon. Hope the afternoon goes well. Well, kia ora and welcome. Another exciting clash here as we see the lineups for both squads. We've had a look at both teams in various games prior, but once again, we've got Chase Thompson and Chris Kahutia Hull in the front row for St. Paul's Collegiate. Their skipper today is Lockie Young. He's in the number 8 jersey. But keep an eye out again for Silic, Killermeister as well. Out wide, Billy Smythe and Caleb Blake with Jackson Hay at the back. Their bench, Kennedy and Benjamin, Pocock, McLeod, Very, De Bruin and McLean. Their coach is Daniel Teka.
Daniel, last regular season home game today with a chance to go 7-0 against the defending champs. Does the team know how much of a statement win this could be?
Yeah, when you put it like that, it sounds like a bit of a statement, but yeah, we're just really focused on just putting a performance today. We're week to week, we haven't really played our best week in, week out, so yeah, that's our focus today against a pretty strong fielding team today.
And you guys were in quite a tight battle with Francis Douglas last week. What were some positives and what were some areas to improve on?
Yeah, so I mean the main positive was we got a result and we had to fight hard for that. I'm a little bit disappointed with some of our effort plays off the ball and just letting our standards slip. So today we're looking to bring a bit more energy and you see how we go having a crack.
Awesome, thanks Daniel, and all the best for today.
Thank you, mate.
A ko te reo tērā o Daniel Teka te kaiako matua mo te kapa nei ka te tiro ake tātou I nai nei ki te kapa o Feilding ko ngā paumua ko Brosnahan. Kai kapene o te rā nei ko Goodman, Whakawa, Hawker, Wallace, Gibson, Tuncliffe, Anapu Burke, Tyrell, Wallace McLeod, the backs, Nagel, William Raka, Guru Yabaki, Dixon, and on the bench we've got Ngata, Brown, Copsey, Biza, Kumirado, and Mala Silia. Ana ka whakarongo atu tātou I nai nei ki ngā korero o te kaiako o te kapa o Feilding ko Justin Locke.
Justin, a win against the top of the table team today could propel you back into the top 2. Are the boys aware that this win could be quite a statement?
We haven't spoken about that. We haven't spoken anything about the table really, but they're probably more aware that if we don't get today right, we fall out of the top 4. So we're just here. We've got 3 teams that are good teams sitting high on the table in the back end of the season. We just want to sort of turn our best performance out every week, and everything else will take care of itself really.
And you guys were involved in a really high scoring match last week. What were some positives from that and what are some areas to improve on?
I've never scored 46 points and lost a game, but you can't win many games with leaking 48, so defence has been a big focus for us this week. With Storm week for us last week, 3 games in a week, there wasn't a lot of training time, so this week it's been good to get on the training field and sort of try and resurrect a few things that we need to work on, but we've trained well and we're in good shape as a team, so we're confident today.
Awesome, thanks Justin, and all the best for the game.
Yeah, pretty interesting, isn't it? Those big scoring games, whilst entertaining to watch, obviously, the defence has some question marks on it. All the best to these two young squads as well. Proud traditions at both schools, and for St Paul's Collegiate, they've had a pretty decent sort of a season. They'll be wanting to maintain that momentum too, and sitting atop the leaderboard, going 7-0. But Feilding, of course, they're a gutsy team, a lot of physicality in there, and last year, plenty of success. There's some fine talent in both squads too, and the matchups are going to be interesting with Tyrell and Silic in the 10s today, Wallace McLeod lining up against Killermeister. And we were really impressed last time, Mōiho, with the running style of Kuriombaki on 14 today for Feilding. Justin Locke will be pretty pleased with the way that he's been tracking today. Plenty of wheels out wide. Likewise with St Paul's on the side, and on the flyers to Caleb Blake and Billy Smythe as we welcome the squads out onto the field here. For Kata Māori, glad to be bringing you a real blanket coverage of rangatahi sport this season, and a pleasure to spend some time with you this Saturday afternoon. All the best to parents and those who are unable to get to the track. That's the reason why we are so proud to be part of a broadcast effort that brings these images and their efforts to light midweek and today here on Whakaata Māori.
Ai rā, te o nau mai e hoa mā ki te whare hākina o ngā rangatahi. Ara ko Whakaata Māori e mihi kawana kia koutou kua tūhono mai nei. Mihi kawana, ko e nei ko ngā tuākana o te kapa o Feilding. E whakatakotohia ana ngā pōtai, e tohu ana ko rātou ngā mātāmua o te kapa. Ko e nei tau pia tā rātou taumutunga. Ana he tohu tēnei ki te whakamihi, ki te whakamānawa, ki te whakanui. I te rā reanga, ana ko Feilding tērā kei te taha mau I tātou mā, ko St Paul's, ki te taha matau. Ana ko ngā kai tātaki tāne o ngā kapa e rua. O St Paul's nei ko Chris Kahotea. Ana whakawhiti atu ki te kapa o Feilding nei. Ana ko tūharakia Wallace McLeod. He koa ngā ngākau, te mātaki-taki, te whakarongo atu, te titiro ki ngā mahi a kui mā koroma, ngā haka-haka, mihi kawana ki ngā kapa e rua. O whai wāhi mai ki te mahi, i ngā mahi, he whakatākina i te kēmu ara, ko St Paul's Collegiate ko rātou, te haukainga. Te tiro ki te pakeketanga o tēnei referee, tēnei rangi, Dale.
Ai, tēnā koe. Look, it's just such a wonderful way to start our secondary school FAHS 15 rugby. And a young referee today, his name is Josh Waller, and isn't it wonderful to see him out here in control of this action between two teams that are going to go at it hell for leather today. And wonderful to be with you. Well, both teams coming with some pretty decent form, although I lost last week to the boys from Feilding. The St Paul's Collegiate was founded back in the late 50s, and they've always had a strong reputation, one of the strongest rugby programs actually in the country. They're known for producing good rep players and strong with their set pieces and structured attacks. Multiple Super 8 champions as well, and also for Feilding, based obviously in the Manawatu. They too are one of the country's proud provincial rugby schools and reputations. We are underway, Feilding working left to right from our broadcast area here at St Paul's, and immediately a good start as they get themselves right outside the 22. Now the forward play here, Moiho, is going to be so important. After conceding plenty of points last week, they'll be very conscious of the need for some strong defensive efforts. A little run down the right-hand side gets them in good field position to mount a challenge early on here today.
Tēnā koe, Dale. E mea ana koe mo te taha ki ngā paumua, ko ki te ke tātou i ngā hekona tuatahi, te māia o ngā paumua, ara te pāhi, te pōro, he pōhehe no etehi, ka kore ngā paumua e pāhi, te pōro, engari he kaha no Feilding ki te mahi i tērā tū āhuatanga. Feilding i nāne, ki te taha poto. Ko mauheretia, ko puta te pōro ki tērā o ngā toru koata, ara ko Alfredi raka me tūpato, a St Paul's ki aia, hoki ngā mahara teo ki tērā kēmu i tērā atu wiki, ko Alfredi raka, rāua ko Formai, Williamu, ki whararāua.
Yeah, they used to go hot. But we'll see how they go this week. Scrum to be set. A defensive scrum here for St Paul's. Moving in to get handle. Well, Jamie Selic knows his way around the track as well. So it's going to be a wonderful clash between the nines here this afternoon. Just outside the 22. Selic feeds, waiting for it to come from the base of the scrum. Kicking game is going to be also important. This one downfield. Not looking to find touch, picked up by Nagel on the far side of the field. He too gives it a nudge back, and it's angled towards touch on the far side of the field and will roll out. About 15 metres inside Atopaora's half of the field.
E kāroha ki ngā paumuri a Hatopaora he piki rā, kei mua i te aroaro. Ko te tiro au ki te rahi, te pakari o ngā paumuri tirohia. He pōhehe, he paumua ke rātou.
Yeah.
Arate te kaumā whā.
This is Kuliambaki. And inside him, Alfred. Hey.
Ko Williamu anō hoki.
A couple of big units out there.
Taukiri e.
Again, but the run here is strong up through the middle. Nice play from Thompson. Stepping it up now. St Paul's. Charge down. He's going to get to it first. Scrambling to recover is Killameister. They have the football. It's popped up by Thompson. Still in control. St Paul's. This is where the big men do their vital work. Just shutting things down as Chris Caltier takes the ball to ground. Still in control. Delivers up clean ball. Silic at the right with a loping Harbour Bridge pass on the far side of the field. Some wheels down here in the inside ball classy as well into the fullback's hand. Jackson Hay takes it, but it's going to be the first penalty.
He niti tērā pāhi whakaroto teo. Niti. Nit nera.
Yeah.
Ana. St Paul's, aha ko te paku o te kapa. He ngā kautūwhera tō rātou. Pai tērā a charge down a Feilding I mua rā.
Ai rā. Whāna mahi o ngā tamatō.
Ngā kapa e rua. Players to watch tātou mā ko Lockie Young, ko Jamie Silic, Harry Kilmister, Hadley Thompson and Jackson Hay. Provides counter-attacking ability from the back. That's Jackson Hay. Keep an eye out for him.
Getting into the grind. Now it's just important Yeah, you can be a little flamboyant with the ball, but you've got to earn the right through the middle. Here's an opportunity to maintain momentum. St Paul's Collegiate have had a wonderful season this year as well. They're in the CNI. To the far side. Pretty decent support as well. Let's see if that's been touched. No, it hasn't. So, advantage here for St Paul's and a great opportunity. Thanks to Nativa, leading with nature and sponsors who bring all the action here across Whakata Māori. So proud to be part of coverage. St Paul's, of course, one of the leading independent day and boarding schools. It's year 9 to 13 boys and year maybe 11 through 13 for our tamahine. There's another great opportunity for them, Moiho. No tries, no adjustments to the scoreboard as yet, coming up to 5 minutes. 30-minute halves here in the CNI. First chance with the throw-in. Chase Thompson with that responsibility in the head here on the far side of the field. Work is clever, climbing high for it, Alex Young. St Paul's have the ball. You can, in fact, it's ended up in the hands of their opponents, Feilding High School, and they kick for touch on the far side of the field.
Feilding High School I tērā wiki tātou mā I whaiwahi atu kia FDMC Francis Douglas Memorial College. Wini rātou whātakau mā toru ki te ruatakau mā tahi tū ai tawa kēmu I Waverley. Ana, ko St Paul's, pakanga atu rātou kia St Peter's tino. Wikitoria-tanga ko tērā, St Paul's I piti hia a St Peter's moroto mai a Cambridge, no rere mihi ana, a ki ngā kapa e rua.
Feilding High School under the tutelage of Justin Locke and the coach Daniel Ticker for St Paul's. Both of them very mindful of what needs to be done here today. After leaking so many points last week, we know that Feilding will be wanting to make amends there on the defensive department.
Ana ko St Paul's tātou mā, ko taua kapa tonu e poraka pango me te kōwhai ana. Ko rātou kei te tihi o te tepu I tēnei wā. E ono ngā kēmu, e ono ngā hua. Ana ko Feilding High School kei te tuawhā, e rua ngā hinganga a Feilding.
Well said here, St Paul's. Peeling around to the right-hand side, Sillage gets some good support. Chiming in as Jackson Hay goes to ground now. Important to get some clean ball back here. Sillage gets hold of it, the big man. Put their forces together as Lockie Young, the skipper, carts forward. Not trying to be too expansive with it just yet. And pressure on at the back, it's covered up nicely. These young players out wide for Feilding, skillful. This time almost knocking the head off our camera staff, but we'll forgive them for that. Nice little kick into touch here on the broadcast side. Not much wind to speak about here in Kirikiri today, Homa. You can see that flag in the background, hardly moving. And we'll wait for Chase Thompson. It's a nice shot to see the line-out work and structure. Important here, St Paul's. They want to get possession, they do, they clean it up, and it's not straight. And so it's Feilding who will come away with the football. Quick tap it away as Josh Tyrell looking into centre field. Good defensive work here, Moiho.
Kura te mate, o ngā paumo e whakarohi ana he tūwhāngai, he topatahi rānei. Kārepe te kai tautoko I mōhio, ka pāhi hia te poro e te o ngā paumua, te paumua kāpō ki taku titiro. Ara, ko St Paul's, ko Hato Paura I nānei, kei te wāhi paira wātu o te whira Whanganui pū e wāte ana ngā taha e rua, ko te taha MΑORI me te taha matau. Taiho ake kia ki te tātou I te mahere rautaki a te kai ako a Daniel Ticker.
Jackson Hay turning in there to his halfback. Deep in conversation here, what strategy might they come up with? First, they have to secure the football. These two powerful scrums. Lock it together here. Thanks to Bailey's on show. Around the back as well for their ongoing support. Through the right-hand side and looking for an opportunity down that corridor. That ball is just gone elusive and couldn't pick it up.
He Momo Dale. He Momo, set piece, Whanganui pui te whira. Karo ake ka pāhihia te pōro ki te rao ngā kai oma o mua. Ngari pāhike ki te whiore o te rārangi rā. Nea whioring me tā rātou āpiti tūtuatahi. Maka whakamua atu, maka whakamua mai.
Some little mistakes being made too. That was secured nicely by Austin Tunnicliffe, who climbed high to get the ball for fielding. Just a couple of indiscretions. See the ball going down.
Clean ball off the top. Nice set piece with just, early nerves.
A little bit of nerves around, I think, in Moha. 10 minutes gone, still no score. If you've just joined us, this is St Paul's Collegiate and Feilding Agricultural High School, both with proud rugby traditions. Who will come away with the 2 points today? Here's the feed here from Sillage. Through the hands, plenty of runners. Haley Thompson gets in, but he runs into that big wall of Piki Whara. On the right edge here for fielding. They'll work it through the middle. This is where the damage can be done, but they need a concerted effort. Skipper getting himself involved. Just keep it nice and tight. Ball is there and available. Right side work.
Ko tū te kaiwawao me te ki atu, hei? Kia matara. Hara mai kai kāpene he kōrero āku mōu. Whakatikaina ngā hāmene. Pai te kite atu I te taiohitanga a te referee. Kei te tikina ia tana kāri mai tana pūkoro. Koe no tātou mā. Ia hatia, panaia, te toru ara ko te rita whakawa kitea te referee te tino hāmene. Nā te aha. E aua.
They're not impressed with the referee's call there for cover, but hey, referee Josh Waller is dissatisfied with that piece of play, so he'll spend some time on the sideline.
Nā wai ka ua, kātai ka ua ke atu ngari, tino rutu tērā. Taka whakamua te pauro. Hoi tērā.
And the big number 2 gets up and
Nā marua Lucas Goodman,
Yeah.
kāpene Dale.
Aira. Yeah.
Māku koutou e arahi. Ahakoa I panaia a whakawa ki te taha. Kuhu mai ko Lucas Goodman. Ki te whakararu I te rārangi a St Paul's. Te naro atu koe Lucas. O tira koutou e mātaki maina ki ngā tini pākainga o te motu. Feilding Agricultural High School up against St Paul's College. Mihi kawana kia koutou.
Aira.
Ngā māma, ngā pāpā mātua, kui mā koroma, aunties, uncles, nieces and nephews.
Okay.
Mauri ora kia koutou.
Yeah, the whole whānau. Right. Tino kai tautau ko ngā tima o te whutu paura. Nā ngā mihi nei. Ka ruru atu koutou.
Anā ka tau te nonoke I nāne. Kei a Feilding te pauro.
They're a bit scrappy.
Ka mea mai te referee ka mahia anō I te nonoke.
Referee Waller, somewhat dwarfed by some of the big units in here. With his back to us, big Lucas Hull. Into Chase Thompson. Kahotia on the right. Close to us in the 7 with the yellow headgear, that's Rory Boynton. As we get a view of the bench. Still midwinter day here in Kitty Roa. And a real titanic tussle here between these two proud kura. After conceding so many points last week, Feilding keeping themselves very much in the match. Here's the left foot to the far side of the field. Smart thinking and a decent nudge. Play the line out on the far side of the field. Plenty of supporters, yellow swannies, if you will, for St Paul's Collegiate.
Oh, well, certainly the St Paul's Collegiate crew of Hamilton will be pumped for tonight's game. Chiefs taking on the Hurricanes.
Yeah, I guess so too. These young fellas would be excited about it too. Here's the grind that is so important here as we set the stage for some attacking play out wide. It's all worked on through the middle. Climbing over the top is Goodman. Possession, vital here. Plenty of aggression around the breakdown from both sides as well here. Never shying away from the contest. The fielding. It's a good start for them. 15 minutes. No points on the board. Tight and tough. This is how you like first 15 rugby. Some decent work downstairs there from Gus Weir on D for Collegiate. Now giving it some space on the far side of the field.
Hei rongo tata ki te kāko te kapo Feilding. You know, me mai ia, you don't score 46 points and go down. Tēnā tuti mai I whātikau mawari ngā piro.
I reckon. It'd be pretty hard with that, but 3 games last week, somewhat understandable. And as Justin Locke mentioned, they've been able to get some decent training in this week. It's paying dividends here. Now, getting himself under it. Pretty unlucky. That's him. Fleet-footed. Defence solid here as Collegiate get up and make the tackle, centre field. 5 short of halfway. Tyrell. Again, now that was clever play too from the big midfielder.
Puking o mahara te o tātu tāwa ki manawa tū I tērā tau. Ko Feilding, ngā toa whakaihu waka a motu nera. Wini rātou I tērā tau. So certainly a team to be reckoned with.
This is Alex Brosnahan. Keeping the ball alive onto the far side of the field. A bulldozing run. Little offload as well on the far side.
Ako fo mai vili amu tērā.
Remember they're down to 14.
Doing well.
Skipper's got it. Boom! He goes straight ahead. Good defence as well from Lucas Hull. Gets right underneath him, tackles him with a back roll. Smartly. You're watching Whakaata Māori, coverage of the CNI. 2 of these great schools with wonderful reputations, and we'll get a call back. But it was clever play as well, involving Jackson Hay.
Hanga tawhiti te hāmene nei I ngā paukoura deo. Ka kore pēr a Feilding e tohua a he whana hāmene kei te haere. Ana ko tūhaka
kia.
Aroha mai, mo taku he tama. Tūhara kia. Ko te ngutu e mea ana ko tūhaka rai, ngari tūhara kia ke. Tahi rā te ingoa a tāhua ko tēnā. Tēnā koe tūhara kia. O te rā te whānau Wallace McLeod. Mihi ana kia koutou e mātaki mai nei.
He's throwing for Goodman. Far side of the field. Can they maintain some momentum here? Feilding climbing forward. They've got it at the back. Wisely going down as Cruz Thompson gets in to make the tackle. Chase Thompson forwards, recognising this is their time to shine. Inching their way forward through the hands of Wallace McLeod now. Chiming in from the far side of the field. This is a great contribution from Jack Nagel. Delivers clean ball, looking both ways. Tyrell this time he decides he'll go to the left. Looking for some more forward power play. Here's Nagel again.
How can Feilding have an overlap with one man down?
Well, they've been playing really strong in Whakata's absence.
Me maumahara tātou te karo whakaroto. Kei reira, he hoariri, engari tau te poro. He oi anō ka hoki mai anō te referee. A ki te hāmene, tūhapa ana St Paul's. Ka hatia, ka tepe I te paoro. Pāhihia te poro kia Goodman, ko ia te kai kāpene, ko tahi ana ke tana aronga, koira ko te haere whakamua, te tōtika. Feilding. Tahi mita te tawhiti, taha poto ina ina. Piki whara ki te tangata paku, ko te kaumā toru tērā ko Alfredi Raka.
Alfredi is in again. We love Alfredi. He's been playing some good ball. Alfredi Raka. Hard to stop close to the line. The big fella, and first try on the board for Feilding. Call us in again there, Moiho.
Te tiro, me pēhea e aukati I te rā. E he uaura o atu.
It took a long time to come, but some sustained pressure here by the boys from Manawatu. And bearing in mind that they're one player down, a real credit to them. There's a lot to like about Alfredi's style and the way that the coach, Justin Locke, is using him out wide. Very hard to contain for some of the smaller backs when you've got a big fella like Alfredi.
Oh, I mean, you know, we're familiar with the Tongan Thor. I think we've got the Fijian Thor on the right-hand flank as well.
I don't know, we don't want to come away with that sort of corridor too quickly, but he's certainly been impressive and enjoyable to watch in coverage we've had so far in season 26. Conversion unsuccessful from fullmate Viliamu. Our scoreline at 5-0. Feilding High School leading after 20 here in the CNI clash, coming at you live from through Whakata Māori from St Paul's Collegiate in Kirikiriroa.
Kino te pai a Justin Locke. Nana ki a tērā o ngā kaiako tātou mā. Ko whakamanahia. Ko Whomai Viliamu, ko Alfredi Raka. Ngā centres o te kapo o Feilding. Kaua ko rāua ana ke engari. Me tūpato hoki tātou ki a Kuria Paki.
Kuria Paki, yeah.
Anani te mahunga.
I like the look of that.
Haramai a māmā pāpā. Ki te mātaki-taki.
You're not a true supporter if you haven't got one of those puffer jackets that we see on a Saturday afternoon in Aotearoa. 5-0 scoreline, 21 gone. Great to have you with us. Ngāmihi to all of our sponsors bringing the action here. And of course a reminder that Whakata Māori have a deliberate strategy to highlight a rangatahi sport, many different sports. These are the sponsors, but the idea is for all of us to take note. And it's Men's Health Week. Just gone there, Moiho. So a lot of our rangatahi drop out of organised sport, team sports, I guess, in the late teens. And the aim really is for us to be active Māori active. So we're all involved in something through life. Even if it's just walking, a bit of gardening, or in your case, doing the dishes, Moiho.
Hang on, dishwasher, bro. This is the try scorer. I'm sorry, that's not the try scorer, that's his mate on the inside, that's Viliamu. Viliamu and Raka, the Bash brothers.
Daniel Tech, I don't think he'll be overly concerned here because he knows he's got the strike power. At the moment, momentum just seems to be rolling in behind the boys from Manawatu. That ball's gone down. This might be the change of momentum. It doesn't take much. A little knock on and a team that has maintained momentum.
Ana ki te hoki mai a te vita whakawa.
Making his way back on. Well, he'll be wanting to make amends, although, you know, everyone who's sent to the bin thinks you're innocent.
Heo ea no, ko te whakatā a whakawa piro tonu mai a Feilding High School. Ana ko Raka tērā I te tau, I te mineti a te kaumā iwa. Mea hou tēnei, Dale ka kore tāua e kaha kitea I ngā kēmu pēnei te taurite. Ana I etehi kēmu, etehi atu kēmu, he nui ngā piro I te hawhia tuatahi. Ko tahi ana ki te piro. I tēnei wā, maka whakamua tērā mai te haika, Andre Dixon. Ana, ko tai te wā ma St Paul's.
Offside. And there's a little mistake. And then one of his players came in and touched the football. Referee Waller has delivered the word on the far side of the field. Now, this is the best opportunity that St Paul's Collegiate have had for some time. They'll be really wanting to make the most of it. Thanks to Anchor. Nativa. Signage on the far side of the field. The Robert Don crew who are bringing this Rangatahi sport into focus. But the line out has been secured here by Feilding, who continue to call the shots, really. But there's a long way to go in this one. Taken at the back here by Caleb Blake. Little step from Blake through the middle bravely, as well as the big units come across and crash them to ground. Another opportunity going forward here for St Paul's. It's at the top of the table, St Paul's. 7 wins so far this season, and they're up against a team that won it last year.
Well, tone's been set early down either side, willing to give an inch.
Yeah, true enough. They're battling away. Metrics now, though, Moiho. No one wants to give a millimetre.
It's all in the algorithm, Dale.
Yeah, still talk about yardage through the middle, don't we? And some will say meterage.
Oh, well, don't forget to blow on the pie.
Blow on the pie. They're catchphrases in rugby. Wonderful to have you with us this Saturday afternoon. I know many of you have been out and watched your own kids or mokos and their sporting endeavours, but need to be able to come on home and sit on the couch and have a bit of a squizzy at what's going on in secondary school rugby. MāORI bringing you the action proudly as we go to centre field here, and St Paul's have it. Silic. Dillemeister, another little faux pas, and so the ball will be passed across to the opposition here. Feilding with the football. They've had many opportunities, St Paul's just haven't been able to capitalise or maintain possession. Both teams trying to build solid platforms, but little handling errors have let them down. Bit stop start as a result. Much of the game still. That one try to Raka in the 19th minute. This is with that 5-0 scoreline. There's no ball here. Just a bit of a pause.
Get up, Alex. Pressure. Get them on straight.
Goodman finally gets hold of the ball. Gives it a bit of a wipe.
No front ball.
Goodman, the skipper.
Back, go up,
Curry duties. Nicely secured. Feilding with the football. Whipping it across into centre field. St Paul's Collegiate. Equal to the challenge on D. This ball's gone on awry. Kick, smart thinking under the circumstances. It goes deep and angles towards touch. Trying to get at it too was Silic. In the end, a great meter eater.
Are you sure it wasn't a yard?
I'm pretty sure it was a meter eater, that one.
That was a decent kick. Well done. One way to get out of jail, wasn't it? Referee has handled things well. That's Josh Waller, the young man.
Yeah, big ups to him. Great place if you ever want to really get involved in footy, it's a great kaupapa to get involved in refereeing. Here we go.
Hare whakamua ana. A tira, paumua, e hoia ana. Hikoi whakamua ana ko Goodman anō tērā. Kāti ake e te iwi ko te piro. Tuarua tērā o te kapa o Feilding. Tuatahi mai ki a Raka. Tuarua mai ki te kai kāpene. A Goodman. Ko raupā ona ringa I te rānei ko pukumahi. A Goodman.
He's a good man, that bloke. And he's
Not bad.
He's a good man. Well done to him. I like the way he's been leading the squad today.
Look, great throw in too, Dale, and he joined at the back of the scrum. Rolling, keep them rolling.
Beautiful. All in control. Got the ball there. His teammates have set it up for him. He gets the spoils. Captain fantastic into score. 28 minutes gone. 10-0, kick to come.
Liamu. Wai Maui. Kareu ki te Ngani pēhea ngā haki a ngā referee Kāri Awa. E rua ngā piro, karekau he kiki, ko Feilding High School. Kei te tuawhā o te tepu, ki te tuatahi.
It's certainly got all the hallmarks of a classic here this afternoon, hasn't it? I mean, St Paul's have enjoyed some periods of possession, but they really haven't been able to get onto that scoreboard. Still a long way to go, and Feilding is struck. And now it's 10-0. Yeah, I mean, be disappointed to have not slotted that Feilding goal. The visitors are beginning to build momentum as we head towards half-time.
St Paul's have plenty of rugby left in them, but they want to be the next team to score.
Yeah, sure. Let's go for a ride with St Paul's Collegiate. They have the football coming up towards half an hour. Pushing, driving forward. This is more of what they are renowned for. Getting into the grinders. Chase Thompson takes the ball there, lays it back nicely, sets it up for Silic. Into the hands here of Killermeister. He puts it away. The big number 8 gets hold of the football and takes it in. That's Lockie Young. He'll set it up. Still with it. Silic. Right edge. Thompson now. Thompson clawing his way forward. Millimetre by millimetre. Inch by inch. Take your pick. Yard by yard. Take your pick. 10 to the right-hand side of the post. Very concerted effort here. Not trying to do too much, but maintaining possession vital. Lockie Young delivers clean ball for Silic. Hay into the action. Comes Killermeister again. Has that been knocked on? What's the referee's call? Well, they maintained possession and tried to maintain momentum. Ultimately, just one little error, little slipped ball or slipped pass, and things come a cropper. Out now to the 11, that's Billy Smythe.
Tupato, Vetaya Kuriabaki. Thought he went in there without the arms.
You put a silent M into the B's in Fijian language. You know that?
Whakahua mai.
So instead of bulla, it's mbul. So,
Instead of bulla, I thought it was bulla!
well, I don't know about that, boy.
That's William Wairua for you.
Well, it just popped all the mentions on our microphones.
Bulla.
Yeah, mbula. Yeah. So, what I'm led to believe, Kuliumbaki. Okay.
Avinaka Dale.
Vinaka. And the C, when you see the C, it's a TH. Oh. Just if you come across C's in the Fijian language, just awaiting the scrum to be set. I homa. Somebody, emosi fodango.
Yeah.
On the bench.
Kuhumai na ai. Ana tātou mā toru miniti e toi ana ki te wahanga tuatahi nei. Kua pai te tākaro a Feilding. Hoi no, ko pai ke atu te nono ke a St Paul's. A kāti, me he meka piro rātou I moi te tangihanga o te riroriro, o te wihara, ka koa te ngāko o te kaiako a Daniel Teka. To see what their set piece looks like.
Yeah. And of course, if there's any Fijian people listening who are offended, you think I've got that way wrong. My apologies, it was just a gut feeling. The conversation I once had may not be completely accurate. We do our best with surnames because they are whānau names and they're proud names. And we've got such interesting whānau involved in the sport here in NZ. Here's the climb. St Paul's with it, as you can see. They're not too far away from getting the points on board. And Coach Teka would absolutely think important. What I mentioned, they need to be next to score. But Feilding are playing gutsy here at the moment. Drawing up their defence. You can see the celebrations there, Moiho.
He Momo, ara, I a rātou te hāmene, I a rātou hoki te line out. He oi, kei reira, o I reira, ke a Feilding showing great grit and determination to hold that ball up.
Absolutely. You know, they're playing tough, and they've got to as well. The forward pack's having a real battle here today. Feilding have made a statement so far, but well, we know that St Paul's, they're too proud not to be getting into it as well. The big men have done some damage. Feilding have been rewarded for their physicality and their patience. Just a few more moments here in the first half. Scrumpy. Okay, there's a little kick. And it's made its way into touch.
Heoi. Ora mai taku patoto I ngā kupu kei te ranga hau. Ahau I ngā kōrero.
Well, whipping it through now. This is looking promising on the far side of the field here. Moiho, that's a drive as well. Look at that. Powerful as well. Grinding forward. Beautiful play from St Paul's deep into the first half. That ball's just eluded. Kahutia ended up in the hands of Hull. He charges forward, Hull. He's 10 metres out from the try line. Here's a good chance. They need to maintain possession. They've got the penalty.
Kahutia. Quick tap. Hei aha ke te toru piro. Ara ko te hāte peke tērā. Jamie Sillage. Whakawa's already been sent to the bin earlier on. Kei te aha a te referee a Josh Waller. Ko hoha haere a te kaiwa wau nei. Possibly another professional foul.
Yeah, well, the momentum was certainly with St Paul's. They'll be lucky to have dodged the bullet there as Tane Anapu Burke has spoken to, the number 8 here from Feilding. Well, Justin Locke would be pretty pleased with the way things have gone for the travelling team today, the visitors. This penalty, I know that they'll want points. Instead, they think, well, we'll take something from this first half. They've still got gas in the tank here, Moiho. No doubt of that.
Ai whakaro pai tērā. Mahi mahunga.
Jackson Hay steps in, a chance for us to evaluate some of the strong efforts here. Been really impressed with the work of Jamie Sillage as well. And chiming in, we've already mentioned Alfredite Vaka, working really hard as well, the front row, and none more so than the skipper there for Feilding as we go to the break.
Anā ko whakairihia te ki te kōrero te wahanga tuatahi tātou mā ki te pātūtū o tēnei whare. Mihi kawana kia koutou ko mātaki taki maina. E whitu, ngā kaute, e rereke ana ngā kapa e rua nei ko St Paul's College te haukainga. Kei raro e putu ana I tēnei wā heoi anō. He hāwhe nui, kei mua I te aroaro, kāti e te iwi, hoki katoa mai koutou, a ki te whakapāhotanga. O tēnei whakataitai te CNI Central North Island te Puko o Tika Secondary Schools competition between St Paul's College, with 3 points, going down at this moment by Feilding High School. We'll be back with you to have more coverage of CNI Rugby here on Whakaata Māori.
All right, short stuff. Show me what you got.
You just don't have what it takes.
We have no power, no audience, we make no money, and they're the ones who are making the decisions for us. You're the boxer, this is your fight.
It's a brutal, barbaric sport.
I think it's kind of exciting.
On the Ropes, all eps streaming now, ki Māori Plus.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes selling with Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sell. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Hey. Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hoki ora mai e te iwi ki tēnei tukinga I Whanganui I Feilding High School, rāua ko St Paul's College, ana ka te tiro ake tātou I nānei ki etihi. O ngā painga o te wahanga tuatahi, we'll have a look at some highlights. Couple of tries coming in from the visitors. O te piro tuatahi tēnei. Ko raka tērā. They were down to 14 players and they still were able to score a try. This is Goodman, who threw in a decent line-out, who joined the back of the maul and crawled their way to the try line. That was 10 points to 0. Ara, ka te tiro anō tātou ki a Goodman. Kei te ki te tātou, kei te whiore, ana kei aia te paoro, kua tau te paoro. Ka mutu, ko te whana hāmene tēnei, I mua noa atu I te tangi o te pūtātara. Fortunate to come away with 3 points, 7 the difference. Visitors sitting on 4th at the table at the moment, taking on the top contenders.
Work to be done here, but we know that St Paul's Collegiate are well capable. It's going to be a really thrilling second half here as we just await the restart. Great to have you with us here on Whakata Māori, mihi ana ka koutou e te whānau. Wonderful to share some time with you this Saturday afternoon. Hope you're enjoying the action here, brought to you by our bank of supporters who are so consistent in bringing rangatahi sport alive here on Whakata Māori.
Te tero, me mihi Dad, kia Josh Waller, koia te referee. Te ahuana he ori te ngā tau. Ana, some of these young men are 16, 17 years old. Pea ana pia te pakeke o te referee.
Yeah, it's appropriate.
10 points to 3. Feilding, 4th place on the CNI standings, and we're underway. Kua trapu kiki te paoro a St Paul's. Ko hopu kina e Feilding. Once again, big mihi to you guys that have joined in here on Whakata Māori. O te rā koutou e tūhono mai nei ki te pai tukutuku. Whakata Māori, Māori Plus on our YouTube channels. E mihi ana kia koutou.
Deep, taken there by Jackson Hayes. Sends it infield. Looking for the kickers out on the foot. Now that's an advantage here for Feilding. Not quite the start that Daniel Checker would have wanted for the second 35. Jamie Silic has been very consistent right throughout.
Go, Alex, get up.
St Paul's have had their moments, but credit must go to the Feilding defence as well, which has stood tall throughout the opening first half. Into the hands here of Lucas Hull at the back. Silic setting the stage. Little flip back. Look at this drive to the halfway line, charging. Back to St Paul's. This time they kick, well, an up and under really, taken with some confidence as well. And it'll be St Paul's who get the advantage here. Great little run there as well. Was it Hull? I think. Yeah, it was. Well, that charging effort there for St Paul's Collegiate.
Walt Feilding, certainly the dominant side in the first half. Only a converted try the difference. So we have another look at the awesome time tackle by the Topatahi.
Yeah, Harry Killameister was right in there as well. Back into the live action there, Hallmark. Body position so important too in those crucial times. When kicked into touch. Still day in Hamilton City, the Tron. And wonderful to share some time with you as we celebrate the efforts of these two squads. Throw in for Chase Thompson. The callers come and see if the accuracy is done here. Nice setup here. It's Kahutea. Spent a few minutes in the bin in that first half. Will be wanting to make amends and drive his team forward. Rory Boynton sets it. Now, using the midfield, stepping into the action. Thompson this time comes back against the grain. Thompson, quick restart from him. And now he pushes his way forward. This is a solid carry from the midfielder. He's just a couple of metres out from the try line.
Collegiate. Tā rātou wā tuatahi kua pēnei te tai ao, te taha poto inaene, ko Birch tēnei. 5 mita. Kei he haere ai te hawhepe ki a Silic. Kāre tawhiti te rārangi piro te taha poto. Kei reira he hoariri, pakari te rārangi wawao a Feilding. St Paul's. Kei te mate kai, kei te hia kai, mo tā rātou piro tuatahi he oi anō kua makawhakamua te paoro. Ka tahi rā te kiki tawhiti ko tērā. Pai te hupeke o te paoro. Kei reira hoki.
All the way back.
Avetaia.
But it looked as though, for all money, St Paul's were going to get themselves into that scoring position.
Tika tau.
They still have possession of the football though. And will again mount another challenge through Gus Weir. Goes to ground, lays it back with some class. Midfield kick, chase important. After that is Nagel, rolling end over end and into touch.
Next best win, I suppose, Dale. Not scoring points, but playing down the right end.
They've started well here in the second half, St Paul's Collegiate. 7-0 in the CNI. And 12 is Leighton Birch. And this is a very important throw and line out. A few words here from the touchy. To Goodman, one of the try scorers in that first half, Goodman. An important line out. St Paul's will be wanting to get at it. Let's see the accuracy, and it is secured here for Feilding. Good throwing, good response as well as they drive forward. We want to get to a kick. Pressure on. Ball's lost. Good defensive effort here from Collegiate. They'll get the scrum, and here's a great opportunity for them from close range. The best opportunity so far today for them. Replacements being utilised here by Daniel Tecker. 16 on is George Kennedy. So the scrum set here. 5 metres out. Great opportunity. St Paul's down by 7. 10-3 scoreline. Scrum feed. Silic. Good push from Feilding. Silic takes it from the scrum base. Nice work here for Killameister.
William and Raka there closing the gates. Silic, the Hawhepeke. Feilding
On the side of Alfaretti with the football. That's him in shot. And Feilding survived the raid, as they have through the game so far. The defence has been terrific, and their coach Justin Locke would be well pleased. A reminder of conceding 48 points last week, but they look like a different team today as they look down the left for Nagel, who has the football. Nagel trying to set it up through the hands. Here they come. St Paul's Collegiate pushing forward. Still, they'll get another chance with the momentum in their favour. Kennedy's in the mix. Well, that's him in 16 with his back to us. A pause. One of the fielding players looks a little worse for wear on the far side of the field, getting some attention.
Kei te piki haere te nui o ngā hāmene deo ki te taiwa I whakawa I te wahanga tuatahi. Puta ia ki te paku whakatā. Ngari ki te hāmene hia anō mea a Feilding kararu pea te kapa. 7 points the difference. St Paul's College up against Feilding High School. Kei te tua whārātau o te tepu, kei te tuatahi. A St Paul's kāti tōna rua te kaumātoru meneti e toi ana I te wahanga tuarua nei.
Ball's gone to ground, scooped up to by Alfaretti or Raka. The Feilding High School will be pleased to get hold of the football. They'll kick to touch on the far side of the field. In fact, it was a straight one downfield. Picked up nicely by Killermeister. He has the football. He's wrapped up centre field options, left and right. And it will once again go into the hands of the home team. Well, they started the second half well. St Paul's had their moments in that first half, just weren't able to get across the line through some real staunch defence, really, by the visitors from Feilding.
Well, even though they're in the black and yellow, Dale, I'm sure they'll be going for the Chiefs tonight.
I'm pretty sure of that as well, yeah. My hope, no doubt about it. Big conclusion to Super.
Mind you, the boys from Feilding.
Well,
feed a club to the Manawatu Turbos into the Hurricanes.
Yeah, indeed. So a bit of a curtain raiser.
Curtain raiser.
For tonight. 17 in the mix as well now, George Benjamin. A term at the front of the line out for Atu Paula. To Paul's driving their way forward as well. The ball's been snaffled and ripped by Alapu Burke. Referee says, called it. And Josh Waller, quick tap taken by Silic, wants to get on with it. Referee wants him to be on the spot. And a couple of words exchanged as well. This is it with the
Goodman
skipper?
Yep. You're going to try and test the young man. Referee's handled himself well so far. Already sent one to the bin.
So good game. A couple of words here as well to the man at the back, Lockie Young. He's the skip. You've got to fancy their chances though. St Paul's have had the dominance in field position.
I don't think they would have kept scoreless for 45 minutes this season.
Maybe not. So it's a rare situation they find themselves in. Bearing in mind the form that they brought into the game, angling back into the inside comes Killermeister. Charging towards the line here, needing some forward support. Bustling up at the moment, St Paul's. Under pressure Feilding. They haven't had this sort of pressure for some time. Silic.
Pōtai kōwhai tērā. Titihi o ngā paumua, Silic. Kei te whakarohia ko te whea taha e haere atu ana, ko te taha poto tērā. Ara picking go, te mahi a te paumua a Alex Young. Tahi mita te tawhiti. Kei reira te pauro.
Big chance here for St Paul's Collegiate.
Piro tuatahi mā te kapa, MΑORI, mā ngā paumuri pea. Ko pāhia te pōra ki te haika te hiku o te tīma. Ko whai piro te furu peke ara ko Jackson Hay. Piro tuatahi mo te haukainga. Ki raro pū i ngā paukaura hoki ka māma noiho te kiki. Te āhua nei, ka kore ki te kore. Tēnō nano, I might add.
Well, you'd expect the kick to go forward, but here's Jackson Hay gets himself into the mix, and really it was a reward for sustained pressure that St Paul's have been applying to the defensive structure of Feilding High School.
Maramara keke, kai prawa, te rā o ngā piro. Māma noiho, koira te painga o te pupuri te poro me ngā ringa e rua. Pupuri te poro me ngā ringa e rua, ka pōhehe te hoariri, kei te pāhi koe, ka whana koe, ka tami rānei koe. Ana, ko te prata nei a Jackson Hay. We all locked up, Dale. Feilding High School came into the piece with 2 early tries, Taraka and Goodman, and the converted penalty just before half-time. It was 10-3 there. All locked up with Jackson Hay, scoring the first points for the top of the table. Team Araka St Paul's College, Noroto mai ia Waikato Tainui, he piko he taniwha, Waikato taniwha rau.
Lovely time here for receipt of that football. The big number 5, Alex Young. Tall timber, the lock forward. Back on the inside, and Collegiate now just wanting to maintain the momentum. They've been very strong in the last 5 or 6 minutes. Still going forward as well, putting the pressure on Feilding. Have to shore up their defences. At the back, Silic continues to deliver clean ball. Lovely little hold of the pass this time from Kilmeister. Right on the halfway line here. Hope you're enjoying the action as these two teams go hammer and tong at each other. Little slip there from the halfback. Manages to crawl himself an extra couple of metres. Picking and going as well as Hayden Thompson.
He's been busy.
Great passing game. Silic, good on the right and the left. Pressure on here as both climb for the football. It's taken well by Caleb Blake. He has it. Blake with the ball, cut down with a tackle as well by Nagel. Close to the line, 10 metres out from the line.
With their tails up, this is the hometown. It's awesome to see what one try could do. Certainly changed the momentum of the game. This is St Paul's. To the short side we go. Running the unders line as the number 11 and Billy Smythe. Pick it and go. P&G. Silic looking to the open side, seeing where his troops are. This is 17 and George Benjamin alongside George Kennedy. Short side play. St Paul's looking to strike while the iron's hot. Shut down well there. They've done well to keep. Oh, Paku Makawhakamua tērā.
Ton of pressure here on Feilding. They survived this raid, but you just get the feeling that they've lifted it up a gear here, St Paul's Collegiate. Leading the table, and they've got plenty of strike power. The utilisation of the bench is paying dividends here for Daniel Tecker. In a strong few minutes. Here's the take, lovely step from Blake. Nagel comes across to make the tackle. Now the scrum feed here, replacement on as well in 20. This is Joey Beezer. He'll be feeding the scrum for Feilding.
20 minutes to go here in the second half. Still plenty of time, 35-minute halves here in the CNI tournament.
Beezer. Onto that left boot. Smart play down to Portland here. Nagel toes it forward a couple of metres and then grabs hold of the football. Good play from the winger.
Oh, well, I know it's the FIFA World Cup at the moment. So Messi got a hat-trick earlier on.
Beezer taken at the back by Kilmeister as well. Lovely little step. Couple of fine steps as well to Lockie Young, the skipper who has the football and carts forward a couple of metres. Really, tit for tat at the moment from these two proud teams. Proud Kura. Entertaining rugby. Coming at you from Kitty Kitty Law live on Whakata Māori today. A little bit of a breather here as they steady themselves. Really matching each other's physicality, both squads. Jackson Hayes been injecting himself nicely, the fullback here for St Paul's. Rotating the bench as well as we get another look. Some hot stepping here from Kilmeister. Young. Taking it forward, and that's the penalty that was awarded. Now the throw in here from Goodman. So, St Paul's have the football. Plenty of willing workhorses getting themselves into the mixes. Blake again has it on the far side. He's wrapped up in the tackle there of Rucker. Centre field. Still with Satch. Having a wonderful game today tonight. That'll be a relieving penalty as well. It couldn't have come at a better time here for Feilding. Locked up at 10 apiece here.
Well, the past half hour has certainly been with St Paul's. Collegiate Dale, I really love for Raka and Viliamu to get their hands on the pill.
But they're certainly part of the strike weaponry that Justin Locke has at his disposal. Goodman saunters to his spot. Important that the throw is right on point. Sneaking the football in the advantage. Here's Feilding who have it. Goodman comes in from the back. There'll be 17. Kingston Nutters in the mix for them as well. Beezer is playing at the scrum base. So fresh legs, adding another dimension to the attack here. Beezer working it to the right-hand side. Thought for a moment your dream had come true. The big fella came through, but it was Nagel who ended up with the football here for Feilding. Beezer, Goodman. Boom, diddy boom. Goes the big skip. Still in strike zone. Beezer craftily working his way around the base of that scrum.
O kia no te referee ki tana wāhi I hāmene hia ai e St Paul's. A ko te tūhapa te he. Offside, tūhapa. Ana ko tohua ko te whana hāmene te whai.
This is going to be a close game. And that's the feeling that both teams have here. So any advantage they can grab, they are taking it.
Well, national first 15 champions, Dale. Feilding. Taking on the top of the table here in the CNI clash.
Indeed. Of course, we've got the Super 8 competition running in conjunction with the CNI. That's why there's a ton of first 15 rugby on show here on Whakata Māori. Now, this is an important kick. 54 minutes into the clash. Who would have thought it would be so tight?
64 games or so on Whakata Māori, Dale.
All up, flags are up. Feilding, 13-10, and an exciting first 15 clash from Hamilton.
Once again, e te iwi nau mai, hoki mai, ki te whakapāhotanga nei, ara te CNI, Central North Island whakataitai. Big mihi to those other commentators and production crews that are streaming today's games. And also another acknowledgement to our sponsors, Caltex, Bailey's, Apollo Projects, Nativa, Anchor, and of course Whakata Māori. Decent nudge downtown here. Bubbled, but taken with a huge left foot jerk.
Well, Jackson Hay
scrambling a little bit.
Doing some good work at the back for Collegiate. He gets to his feet as well. Collegiate with the football through Thompson. That's him setting it up nicely. Halfback delivers up. Again, not too much of a hurry as Gus Weir himself delivers some clean ball. Little chip over the top. Beezer is there to take the football.
Still an advantage, Dale.
Yeah. Hoping for the bounce. Back into the action as St Paul's Collegiate continue to grind their way through the centre field. Pushing it forward through the hands on the far side as well. Solid carry. The defensive fielding being tested here. Confidence growing. Weir, once again, short ball, good pass to Young. He makes a great contribution as he goes forward a few more metres. Just need to settle themselves down and maintain possession. Multiple phases. Again, it's Gus Weir. Just does what is asked of him. Not trying to be too inventive. The big lock into the hands of Benjamin. He's had some good contributions since coming on the field as a replacement, sent in by Teka, the coach. Leighton Birch takes the ball, again maintaining possession, and that's really the key to what's needed here. Still alive, still there for Collegiate. Short side play. Day wrestled to ground on the far side of the field. Both teams grabbing advantage here for Collegiate. And Silic inches his way forward. Still alive. Well, this is really good play here from Collegiate. The referee is giving them the opportunity to keep going. It's another pick and go. Charging run. Tackle made by Ben Coatsey's in. Crossfield kick. Clever play. Chases on out here for Caleb Blake. Scrambling to get the ball into possession. Jack Nagle ultimately does so, but the referee might go all the way back for the advantage. We gave him plenty of opportunities to move forward in Moiho. Ultimately, it's going to be, again, an opportunity with possession for the home team.
He ua pia te kiki te whana hāmene nei. Ana engari kua tohua, nō ngā te whenua, nō ngā te papatakoro, kāre kore, ko kaha prakatihi, ko kaha whakaharatau, a te poi nei, I enei tūmomo kiki. This is his field. Surely, he's got confidence to be able to slot this one through the uprights.
It's a pretty tough kick.
It is.
He's pretty decent off the tee. Let's see how he rolls. Hits that one.
Same spot that Pompey missed.
Well, you can tell as well by the applause coming from the sideline that it was on target. So we're locked up once again at 13 all. Good one from the fullback. He's had a good game with ball in hand. His midfield play, reading the game nicely this afternoon. That's Jackson Hay. Successful off the tee. Locked up again at 13 all. The deeper this one goes, the more interesting it becomes.
Just a reminder of how things progressed. We had 2 early tries from Feilding, and then a kick, a penalty kick just before half time. Bounce back, locked up at 10 all.
Rucker and Goodman. And Hay came in to score. That was converted as well. And a couple of penalties. 13 apiece. Exciting stuff here, Moiho. Still plenty of football to be played here. Who's going to keep their cool, going to keep their head? Here's the kick. Downfield, midfield bounce. Not allowed to bounce. There's the Goosey peeling the ball across to the left to Nagle's hands. Well, again, a lovely little effort. Finds it into the hands of Tunnicliffe. Beezer secures the football. Scrambling for it, but a knock on. So Collegiate will get a feed to the scrum. 20 out from their own line.
Pleasing sight though, seeing the open side flanker in full stead down the left hand edge, tiptoeing his way down the sideline. Just able to plant the ball back safely.
It's going to be a tight finish. You can just get that feeling. No other side is prepared to blink here. They're going to have a go. The next score could be absolutely decisive. And, you know, this is why you play the game. This is why we watch the stuff. Hope you're enjoying it here on Whakaata Māori. Thanks to Bailey's. Anchor. All of our sponsors, Caltex and, of course, Whakaata Māori. Wonderful to have you with us this Saturday, Arvo. Both teams really giving it a decent go this afternoon. Giving it a decent crack, as the saying goes, with the football, and to ground goes Thompson. Under some pressure here, a little indecisive. And the 10 is wrapped up by Silic, who puts some pressure on him. That ball sneaked out. Scooped up at the back. Still a chance, and almost taken on the fly as well. Blake, apologies, had his eye on the football. Feilding need to maintain possession and to control the action for a moment here. Big Kingston Ngata, Bisa. Now up through the middle. Time for the big man to Steady the ship, as the saying goes. Here's Ngata again. That ball just through the hands. Touched the number 8, Alapu Burke, and then into touch, much to the delight of the home crowd here. If you just joined us, Feilding conceded 48 points last week. We're up against the team leading the pack. 20s, James Ferry into the mix now for Collegiate. Again, the work of Birch. Classy as we see them ranging down that left edge and trying to free up some space on the far side of the field. There's a kick downfield. Bounce slightly awkward. Bucky has it. The referee will be bringing it back, all the way back actually to about 7 or 8 metres inside Collegiate half. It's had a good game today. A young Kaiwawa. Josh Waller. Jackson Hay has to come back just a few more metres. Again, acknowledging Nativa and their support here for coverage of our rangatahi sport on Whakata Māori. Hope all of you at home are putting on your walking shoes and getting the jobs done. Thanks to Apollo Projects as well, Caltex. Obviously, Whakata Māori. Babies. Nativa. Too cool. Thanks for the support. Into the hands of James Ferry, and now they work it across left field. Centre fielder, a loping ball on the far side. Picking up Billy Smythe. Smythe puts a kick in. Then it's taken and then driven downfield by Bucky. Into space. Bounce important. Just waiting for it to come clean. Jackson Hay spins through one tackle. Able to lay it up nice and clean. Winding up through the middle comes Alex Young.
Just under 7 minutes to go, Tato Ma, 13 all. Next try will be very important to closing out this match. 1 plays 4 here in the CNI.
Anyone's match, Moiho. It could be a field goal, who knows?
Proud competition of 10 schools. We've got St Paul's at the top at the moment. St Peter's of Cambridge, Lindisfarne College, Feilding High School, Wesley, St John's College of Hamilton, FDMC, Francis Douglas Memorial College, Matamata College, Whanganui Collegiate, and St John's College. Make up the CNI tournament.
That's the lineup. Cool. With a chance to give them some coverage here on Whakata Māori. But this one is exciting as we build towards the conclusion. Here's some space on the far side, but come on back. Says referee Waller. Another good opportunity. Field position is perfect here for Collegiate. Be disappointed for either team to lose this one. 6 minutes to go.
Yeah,
how do you think it's going to pan out here, Moiho? What's you thinking?
Yeah, your guess is as good as mine, Dale. Scrum's very important, though. Certainly need a solid platform from the front row.
16 this side. There's George Kennedy. Muscling up here for St Paul's Collegiate. Backs spread deep and wide. Up on D. Feilding High School. Too proud Kura. Going down to the wire. Injecting in is Birch. He's got the football now. Birch is wrapped up centre field and lays it back. Here they come. Here's the number 8, Lockie Young. He gets his head down, body position fine. He wants to secure the football. He delivers it up. James Ferry getting into the mix in jersey number 20. This is Thompson who has the ball. Very now has a little show and then pushes forward a couple of metres. Gets pressure though as the defensive line moves up stoically here for Feilding High School. This is going to be an exciting finish here, Horma. Great to have you with us. A classic encounter here today. Feilding and St Paul's Collegiate live from Kirikiriroa, right in front of the posts. Still with the home team grinding their way forward inch by inch. Everyone's looking for an opportunity with ball in hand. Holding it up nicely. It comes into Alex Young. He pushes forward Young. At the back, new legs in with Pocock. He's in 18 and gets himself into the mix. Chip over the top. Now's the bounce important. It's taken at the back by Raka. A little push over to the far side there from Bucky. Well, just can't be split, these two teams at the moment.
3 points on the platter, Dale. Another man sent to the bin, that's number 8. Anapu Burke. Naughty boy. Off for a shower, early shower. Whāmeneti kei te toi.
But we might get a chance to see what referee Waller saw in that. It gives an opportunity for Jackson Hay, though, to be gut-wrenching for the visiting squad. And certainly in a kickable position. I'm not going to replay it, I didn't quite see what happened with Kane. But certainly Waller did. And so we have to accept his decision, the young Kowawau. Jackson Hayes had a good game. His general play has been excellent, but when called upon, off the kicking tee, without fault so far.
Oh, even you could slot it from there, Dale.
Oh, don't know about that. Oh. Nerves can play a part, mate, when you're getting deep into the game like this. 3 more points, 16-13. It has been a game here this afternoon, but it's not done with yet. Let's see what Feilding High School can dish up. They'll be scrambling for every opportunity to get hold of that ball now. They too know that the clock is against them. Big left boot to get us underway. Onto the far side, but likewise St Paul's Collegiate will know that they just need to hold on to the football. Taking it nicely is Young. A short ball, they'll just try and grind forward bit by bit. In fact, it comes back to the toe. Another good meter eater. To one of the danger men who whips the ball back into centre field. This guy can hold his head up. Good tackle on the halfway line. Leading the football, it's delivered up through the hands of Iliamu. Still with Feilding High School, they're on the halfway line, but the clock is ticking down here in this battle at the top of the table. Although that on the CNI, but not releasing in the referee has awarded the penalty here. Very wants to get underway straight away. Some frustration here from the number 3, Tavita Whakava, and also now the skipper.
Light speed, watch the blind.
Not releasing.
And another shot for Jackson Hay. Long range this time, but also killing the clock, which is understandable. Good gamesmanship. Although he's probably fancying his chances, he's been at his radar on pretty decent here today.
Yeah, he's not missed one this afternoon. This is the number 15, Damien McKenzie. What was Eddie Dixon? Oh no, Jackson Hay.
We better get it right eventually. Hope you've enjoyed the action here today. These young guys have really turned it on. And as we said, coming into the game, Feilding came off the back of a high-scoring match. The coach, as you may be reminded, said they scored 46, still didn't win. Here's the kick. Not going to get there, and so they need to get down the other end of the field and El Pronto. Very with the double around on the far side. Steps back into the traffic, Very. That's the way to leave it back nice and clean. Collegiate know that they've been in an absolute grinder here today in a tussle. But they'll be fancying their chances if they can keep their heads in. Look at this run. Chip over the top from Very. Chases on, bounce imported. It's taken it to back by 21. That's full. Whanganui. And he puts the kick downtown as well.
Mad kick for her.
Doesn't find
banana
touch.
kick.
It does find touch, and it's straight back in. Hay steps up. Look at the split here from Jackson Hay. Standout performance from the fullback today for St Paul's Collegiate. Possession vital here for Feilding. They need to get hold of the football, but they can't afford to concede a penalty. Just grinding their way forward here. Trying to free that ball up. Some powerhouse play. Still inching their way forward. Smart play here from the home team. Short side. They won't do much more than this here, Moi Hope.
Just keeping it tight. One off the ruck sort of stuff. knowing that they're coming down to the dying stages of the play, waiting for the referee to indicate how much time he has left. And we're into touch.
And there's the victory, a wonderful success here for the home team with a classic encounter. The disappointment etched on the faces of the visiting squad, Feilding High School, but they can hold their heads up. This team is 7-0 in the CNI, and they grind their way to a victory here in a hard-fought contest, 16-13. Put it on my Moiha, that was some game.
Ai me mihi ka tika ki ngā kapa e rua deo, Feilding High School, Hurua ko St. Paul's, nei rā te mihi kia koutou. Koutou I whakapaukaha mo te roanga ake o tēnei tukinga. Kāti ake e hoa mā kua pau te wākia māua ko deo. E mihi nei kia koutou ko tūhono mai nei ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Ki runga I a whakata Māori, hoki katoa mai koutou. He ke mua anō kei mua I te aroaro, me he mea ko te CNI tērā, ko te Super 8 rānei here. Our Whakata Māori has been a privilege bringing you coverage. Thanks once again to our sponsors. But from me and Dale, a take on rā.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.